Again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Today I speak a little bit more about the pump, water pump, and submersible water pump in which I have within my system. This is the brand in which I use, Alpine Powerhead. You will see a link for the website below. Now this is not a paid promotion, right? I'm just doing it because I love the pump itself, and it has been doing me really great justice over the past 3 years since I've actually started to have outdoor pond systems. Okay, first things first. Now this is an old pump that have actually been destroyed due to my I call it now inappropriate management of the pump itself. Right, but the new one which I've already installed, I'm just gonna be telling you some sharing with you some little intricate details about it, in which I think that you'll find really interesting. Okay, like other power heads, this power head, submersible power head, this is the old one, as I said before, right? It should be used only in water. Now it has what you call an impeller that should be here. This one is out. This impeller is work based off magnet. It's not based off oil driven anything at all. It's electrical magnet, right? So you don't have to worry about maintaining the magnet. You just ensure that this power head, or this new one in which I bought for a friend, is actually submerged into the water. It depends on the size in which you actually have. You will have the adjustments varied. Now the adjustments for the water flow for this one, I think this is 180, will be here. The adjustment for this, which is a 120, would be here, right? So you would flip this to adjust the water flow, right? And you plug it in and everything would flow okay. All right. Points to note about Alpine Powerhead is that it's made in China, yes, and the color, the sheen, is very bright black, you know, very looking really nice, polished. But after a while, the color kind of fade a little bit. There's no biggie about that. You can actually paint it, repaint it if you want. For some persons who love the decor within the water feature or their pond, they can actually paint it to the color in which they prefer, ensuring that the color, or should I say the paint, does not have any negative implication on the aquatic species that is there. Okay, this power head doesn't really require much maintenance, other than periodically you would actually take off this section. You will take out the impeller, you will clear it here, because normally you have some little little matter, biological matter here, because it will be like sucking in the water from here, and you would actually like wash off this section, and you'll be good. Alright, and we go like that. Right, for this one now, which is the newer one, I think it's a 120, you would actually I think you flip the front. So you will flip the front here. This is the impeller. This is the only thing that is missing from the old one, right? You will flip the impeller. The water actually comes through here, goes up and exit through. And I did a video on this recently, so I need not spend much time on it. Go up through here and come up through the hose at the top, right? So this is how this one works. As I said before, it's a 120, so therefore the height in which the water can actually travel at a good pace, at a good flow, is different from, let's say, this the 180, right? Bear in mind also, right, that the power head, well, with most power heads, it's not built to work in very hot condition. Hot condition will actually cause damage to it. right? So therefore it's not it's not built to accommodate very extreme warm condition or extreme cold condition. If such do occur, this will be damaged, and for those persons thinking about warranty, that would also be void. So therefore, when using these items within your pond or your water feature, you have to ensure that you put the antifreeze within it for the cold period, or you have to ensure that you put I call it aquarium thing, yeah, thermometers or heater, water heater, to ensure that it's not too cold, and as best as possible it's within an area that is not really too hot. Now this pump is what I call economic, right? It is magnetic driven and epoxy protected. It have a ceramic shaft. Points to know when I say epoxy protected, you cannot go inside of it. Once, for example, this pump is the what I call it. Okay, so this pump, although it have the little section at the back, right, which pulls off the the section at the back here, right? You cannot go inside of it. So let's say that you have a short, like I had a short in the wire, and I had to just cut off the wire and call it a day, because it cannot be repaired, right? It is tampered proof, so therefore the system in itself is sealed. You cannot go in there and repair anything. Never allow your pump to get dry. Always have it plugged in while it is immersed in water, and you should be okay. Also, in addition, when purchasing your pump, always check the records to see how high it goes, what's the reach of the pump, what I call it, GPH, and whether or not it's applies, or should I say, it can be used within your electrical circuitry. So that's it for alpine pumps. As I said before, it's what I've been using, and they come in different size. You have 4,000, you have 2,000, you have 400, you have 180, you have 280, 120, 80, and 60 GPH.